Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Today I want to go over this really nice trade we just got in. It's a 2014, very clean Dutchmen Denali. It's a 265 rear lounge. So we're going to start off going on over the interior and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me inside. Wow, you guys, this is like new inside. I can't believe the condition of this. Two great chairs here for the back with that big picture window. Lots of light, lots of viewpoints. Oh, solid surface countertop here in the kitchen. Look at that sink, stainless steel, excuse me, large, easy to keep clean. So we've got a 3-burner stove here and a good size oven below. Storage above, microwave, fridge freezer combo, and this does have the larger fridge. It's a Norcold. Got nice pantry in this too. Well laid out trailer. Skylight above, you can close that off, block out the light if you want. AC here. So we've got the super slide. You've got a nice couch that does pull out into a hide-a-bed, and then you've got the large U-shaped dinette that also converts down into a sleeper. So lots of room for eating and lots of room for sleeping as well. You've got your TV up here in the front, your multimedia player, some storage above and below. As we walk into the bedroom, we do have a TV and another closet in here, as well as a closet on both sides of the bed and some cabinetry above. We do have reading lights, power, and another drawer here and over on this side as well. It does have a second door, so if you need to get out of the bedroom quickly, you can. You've got a door both in the bedroom and in the living area. So the bathroom here, it does come with a porcelain toilet, which is nice, easy to keep clean. Medicine cabinet, sink, lots of storage in the bathroom, and a large shower. Good elbow room in there. So you can see real quickly that this is an extremely clean trailer for a 2014. It shows more like a 17 or 18. Really well cared for, great opportunity for somebody. Let's finish up and go over the exterior features. I've always been a fan of these Dutchmen Denalis. They do have the all-weather package, so great for camping in cold weather. It does have the electric stabilizers, both front and back. So here's a control here. It also comes with the large rack in the back for storing coolers, firewood, bicycles. Just super handy to have that. The ladder flips up out of the way, helps keep kids off of there. If you're going to go camping, maybe stay in an RV park, that will keep unwanted people off of your trailer. Look up above there, it does come with a backup camera too, which is pretty cool. Handy little feature to have. It's got the frameless windows, and back in 14 they were one of the first ones to start doing that. This is going to be storage underneath the dinette there. Okay. All our hookups are in one place. I like that. It's very convenient. We've got cable and satellite. We've got your city water, your black tank flush, your power cord, a spray port. So really large opening here. Great for putting in coolers and large chairs. Some of the trailers have a real small bay door, and this is very functional, useful. We'll go over the weight real quick. Trailer is 9680, fully loaded, and 2500, so about 7,000 pounds dry. If you have any questions on this 2014 Dutchmen Denali 26-foot rear lounge, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day.